Hello from Supermom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is prawns pulao. Now I've taken 2 cups of prawns. The ratio is 2:1. 2 cups of rice and 1 cup of prawns. So you can have it as 1.5 cup of rice and 1 cup of prawns. I have marinated the prawns with ginger garlic paste, chili powder, salt and a little bit of lemon juice. You marinate this at least for 1 hour. And now let's see what we're going to have here. We have 2 large onion slices. This chilies depends on how much spicy you want it. I've taken around 5 to 6. And 1 heaped tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 bay leaf, a bunch of coriander leaves, 2 tomatoes small, juice of 1 lemon, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, required salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, say 4 to 5 cloves, 5 cardamom, a few bits of cinnamon. And I have here, this is already fried. I fried the basmati rice which I had soaked for 1 hour, and I fried it in ghee and kept it aside so that I can take the video quickly. In the meanwhile, we're going to have 1:2 water boiling simultaneously, 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. And this is already fried rice, basmati rice in ghee. Now we're going to pour oil in a pan and drop in all the spices, the cloves, cinnamon and the cardamom. Now I've dropped in the onions, the green chilies, let's saute this for some time. Once it's a little transparent, we can add in the ginger garlic paste and saute it for at least 3 minutes. To add more taste, you can add in ghee, but if you are on diet, just stick on to the oil for sauteing. Now let's drop in the ginger garlic paste into these onions. And also I've dropped in the bay leaves, the ginger garlic paste and the bay leaves. I had fried the rice in 3 tablespoons of ghee, and I've used 4 tablespoons of oil for sauteing the onions and the rest of the ingredients. We're going to drop in the garam masala and the turmeric powder. So next our ingredients is the tomatoes. Let's saute the tomatoes till it's done. Once the oil starts coming out from the sides, you can add in the prawns and fry it 1/4 done, till it's 1/4 done. Now I've dropped in all the prawns. This is the marinated prawns. Let's saute it in the oil well. Saute it at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the oil comes out from the sides, you can drop in the rice and the boiling water, and then let it cook on a closed lid for 10 to 15 minutes. Can you see the oil coming out from the sides? Now we can add in our rice and the boiling water. Now mix it all together till it's all cooperated, and then we're going to pour in the final water on top and test for the required salt. So now we're going to, once it starts boiling, close it with a lid and then we reduce the flame for 15 minutes. Let it be cooked in sim. Let's pour in the lemon juice and let it get cooked, and close it with a lid once it starts boiling. We're going to close it with a lid, and once it's done, we're going to garnish it with coriander leaves. Since we have to wait for 15 minutes till it's done, I will show the rest of the recipe in my second part of the video. We'll see you in the second part. Bye for the time being.